Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short yoga sequence to help you get better sleep. You can do this at the end of your day or right before you hit the bed. It will help you relieve and let go of all the tension of the day and help you wind down for the night. It'll be great if you can place your mat close to a wall and have a couple of cushions handy. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. We will start by coming in an easy standing position. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Straighten your spine and roll your shoulders back. Relax your hands and open your palms facing forward. Close your eyes. Distribute your weight evenly on all the four corners of your feet. We often have a habit of putting too much weight on one leg or just one side of the foot the whole day. So take this time to readjust that. Take a couple of deep relaxing breaths here as you slowly let go of all the things going on in your mind and just take the next 10 minutes for yourself. Slowly open your eyes. Let's do some neck rotations now. Bring your head to the right, roll it back, then left and front. Just slow, easy rolls. Do 5 of these in one direction. And then switch sides. We hold a lot of tension in our neck. So slowly try to release that. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and down. Slowly come back to the center. Drop your head forward and start rolling down, letting the weight of your head lead you. Stop wherever you feel comfortable. Keep your knees soft. You can bring both the hands to opposite elbows and just hang there. You can swing side to side while taking deep breaths. Slowly bring both the hands to the floor and come to a cross-legged sitting position. Take a moment here to just ground yourself as we go into some easy stretches. Take your right foot out and place it diagonally. Keep the left foot close to the bottom of the right thigh. You can place your hands in front of you. Here, as you inhale, straighten your back. And then as you exhale, slowly fold forward. Do not try to push yourself too hard. Just go to the point you're comfortable and feel a nice stretch from your lower back to the back of your thighs and calves. Stay here for a breath and then slowly come back up. Let's repeat this on the other side. Bring the right foot in and take the left foot out. Take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, fold forward. Keep breathing here in Janu Shirshasana. Slowly come back up. Now get close to a wall and lie down on the floor while bringing your feet up onto the wall. Your hips do not need to touch the base of the wall. Just relax your feet, keeping them hip distance apart. You can bring both the arms on either sides and just relax here in the easy version of Vipreet Karni or the leg on the wall pose. This is a great simple inversion to help regulate blood circulation and restore tired feet, ankles and calves. Keep taking deep breaths here. From here, you can slowly slide your feet down. Slide your torso a bit back to make space for your feet. And then bring the soles of your feet together to come into Supta Baddha Konasana. I'm going to change my position so you can see the pose better. You can keep a couple of cushions under your thighs for support and then just relax back. If you feel tension in your lower back, try to pull your tailbone towards your feet to bring the lower back down on the floor. You can place your arms on either sides or on your tummy. Keep taking deep relaxing breaths here. Supta Baddha Konasana is a great restorative pose for relaxing the mind and body. It helps in opening up the hips and inner thighs, which can become tight as we sit on our desks the whole day. Just take a few moments here as you feel the breath going all the way down to your pelvic floor and slowly coming back up. Then bring your knees up and feet on the ground. Now let's do a gentle twist. Keeping your torso on the ground, bring both the knees to the left side. Try to bring the right knee on the ground so that you feel a nice stretch along the front of the right thigh. You can turn your head to the right side for a better stretch. Stay here for a couple of breaths. And then slowly twist to the right and bring the left knee to the floor. Take a couple of breaths here as you breathe into the stretch. Slowly come back. Straighten your legs and lie down in Shavasana. Find a comfortable position in Shavasana. Let your feet fall out. Relax your ankles. Bring your attention to your calves. Release any tension you feel here. Relax your thighs and let them just melt into the floor. Completely relax your hips. Bring your attention to your back and relax your torso. Completely relax your fingers, your wrists, your elbows, and your upper arms. Let go of any tension in your shoulders and neck. Loosen your jaw. Relax your forehead and create space between your eyebrows. Just concentrate on your breath as your belly goes up with each inhalation and goes down with each exhalation. Completely let go of all the thoughts and just feel the breath going slowly in and out. Feel how your heart rate is slowly slowing down with each breath. And just stay here. I will leave here to rest. Take care and bye-bye.